Hi everybody, this is the planet Earth here. Let's do this, okay? So, Texas is officially just done, if that makes sense. We have a snowstorm, well, a little bit of snow. It's just a moderate snow, it's not too bad. And Dallas is about to get slammed by it. Abilene is getting slammed by it, but they're almost done already. They don't really have that much more to go through, I don't think. Oh wait, no, they got a little bit more, not much. There's slight snow in the back. But the ice and the cold temperatures, the snow is not going to go away, so we're going to have to plow it, possibly. West Texas here, we got some freezing rain. And so we have some freezing rain here. And then this radar, we show that the snow is starting to kind of pile near Kerrville. And then Junction, so about 100 miles. And we have a very light freezing rain more, see? And then it kind of starting to turn into snow now as the temperatures get colder. Now, usually at the temperature that we're at now, it's already turning into, it should have already turned into snow technically. But above mid-levels are a little bit warmer, so that's the reason why it's not turning into snow. But as you can see, things are starting to form now, but as the temperature gets colder, it should turn into snow. Now, we'll look at Corpus. Okay, it's not. Let's look at Houston. Uh-oh, freezing rain. Looks like everything is becoming outdated. But we got some freezing rain. And that's not good. So, Houston is about to hit a problem here for Houston. Right now, the radar is green, but I assume in a few hours that'll all be orange. Almost everywhere. So all of Texas and central part of Texas is orange. So look at that. The whole shebang is orange right now. It is absolutely crazy to see Austin in orange. It's crazy. Well, not really crazy to see Dallas, but all that is going to be even more orange and more red in just a couple hours from now. 3 hours maybe. People getting out of work. Essential workers getting out of work and going to be in the snow. That's going to be bad. Abilene is done. It's a small town. I mean, it's a big town, but it's pretty much done, as you can see. It's done. San Angelo, another little city, is done. And then Eden, Menard, done. Traffic is slow as a rock. Then you got Kerrville, small town. Looks like it's moving okay, but not for long when the snow comes. And then they're going to have to plow it. So people are going to have to slow it. And they're not going to see the ice, too, so that could be a problem. And right now, the temperatures, look like right now, the temperatures in Comfort are 12 degrees. 12 fucking degrees in South Central Texas. That is insane. Wait, that doesn't make sense. That's too cold. That's not cold. Wait, what? Maybe that thing hasn't updated. Okay. So, anyways, San Antonio, we have a lot what's called of overpass exchanges. So, let me give an example. It looks like they're closing all the overpass exchanges. See that? How they're closing all the overpass exchanges? Looks like a mess. It's actually not, but in Texas, we have these things that kind of go over everybody else. Let me show you. Hold on. We're actually on one right now. See how they go over everything? So these will ice like a bridge. So technically, what this technically is a bridge. And as you can see, all that will ice before the ground does. And that's a problem. So, they've closed all this down already. Good. That's a good measure so people don't die and fly off. But San Antonio, the south side is fine, but not for long. There's more of that crap coming. I mean, look at this. Look at the toll road, Lockhart, Texas. Look at that. Crazy stuff. Lowling is doing a little better. And then almost to Houston now. It's becoming a problem. And now that rain is coming, let's see how everybody's doing south of there. Seems to be doing okay. But not for long, because that rain is going to turn into ice later. So Houston is going to have a major problem in a few hours because it's already raining there, but then the cold air is going to come right behind it, and that's going to cause problems in Houston. A lot of car crashes. We already had a lot of car crashes in Central Texas. Let's see how far south Okay, just south of San Antonio, everything seems to be okay. Divine is looking a little slowed down already. For that part of Texas, Brownsville looking good. Cold, but looking good. McAllen is looking good. Laredo is looking good. Central Texas is going to become a problem later. This whole thing is going to be in orange in a couple hours. The whole southern part of this country. Oops, I meant to say state is going to be in orange. Probably all the way to Corpus. Probably. Abilene, Lubbock is doing okay, actually. That's shocking. Lubbock has got some issues, but North is doing good. That's good news. Amarillo is doing a little bit worse, but they're on the back end now. Now it's just going to get brutal cold. Oklahoma doing really nasty. Wichita Falls is doing okay. No, never mind. They're doing bad. Dallas is doing really bad, man. Dallas is doing terrible. 20 is just doing bad, unless you get into almost Louisiana. Look at this. It is slowly getting worse minute by minute. And now, we're entering the wind chill. Leave me alone. Okay, winter storm warning. Wind chill warning, which is crazy. We got a wind chill warning. And up to an inch of snow, probably here will be an inch or two. And then the wind chill is the craziest one. 15 degrees below zero. Insanity, just pure insanity for this area. 26 degrees. That's crazy. And it's just going to get colder. So, that's just insane. And then as you can see, the whole central state of Texas is orange. Anywhere there's orange is usually ice or snow, but you know, it's raining that light, really, really light ice. So look at Houston, as you can see. It's turning into freezing rain, and freezing rain is more deadly than the snow. If it's not a lot of snow. It's not like a wet snow. It's like a dry snow, you're fine. But if it's a wet snow, it's more of a problem. But freezing rain is worse. So as you can see now, the snow is finally starting to get closer to San Antonio, as you can see. That is just insane. I mean, it's freezing rain on the bottom, but it's turning into snow on the top. As you can see, that's a cold front. Look at that. That is insane to see that, by the way. Look at that cold air pushing down quick. That means the cold air is almost here, and as you can see, let's check out this area. Let's see if it's pushing through yet. Not yet. It's close though. It's real close. But you can see that fine line. Yeah, see the wind? You see how the pushing air down? That means that cold air is just right above the city. So that means it's gonna start dropping quick. Once that cold front comes. See how it's almost here? Look at that, it's almost here. Yeah, it's almost here already. Holy crap, here it comes. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please stay off the freaking roads if you're in Central, North Central, Northeast, Mid-Central Texas, kind of like East Central Texas. Stay off the roads tonight. I'm telling you, if you're in Houston, stay off the freeways, please. Stay off the freeways, okay? It's not worth it. Freezing rain is on your path. Oh, ooh, what the hell? Now it's saying it's starting to turn into snow, but that's like freezing rain / snow. Oh, it's going to be a mess in Houston. Okay, I've only been on the video for a little bit. Let's look at Google and see if they've updated Houston now. Okay, it's starting to kind of build up now in Houston a little bit. But it hasn't frozen yet, so we'll find out in a few hours here how orange Houston becomes. That's and remember, this could turn orange too, Pearsall, possibly down to Corpus. Thank you guys for watching.